Ever felt like your business's financial operations were spread across a dozen different tabs, leaving you to piece together a full picture from a confusing mosaic? What if you could see everything in one place, a single source of truth that not only gives you a crystal clear view of your cash flow but also helps you make smarter decisions, faster? Well, that's exactly what the Relay app dashboard is designed to do. Think of it as the mission control for your business finances. The moment you log in, you are greeted with a powerful overview that cuts through the noise. Right at the top, you'll see your total cash position across all your Relay accounts. No more hopping between accounts to get a grand total. Below that, you get a quick glance at your recent transactions, so you're always on top of what's coming in and what's going out. But the real magic lies in the customizable widgets. These aren't just static numbers, they're dynamic tools you can tailor to your specific needs. Want to keep an eye on your top expense categories? There's a widget for that. Need to track your incoming payments to see who's paid and who hasn't? Another widget is ready to go. You can drag, drop, and rearrange these widgets to build a dashboard that's uniquely yours. It's about putting the most important information front and center, so you can make confident decisions without sifting through endless reports. And because Relay is built for collaboration, the dashboard also gives you a quick view of what your team members are up to. You can see recent activity and keep track of who's doing what, all without leaving the main screen. This transparency and real-time visibility save you time and prevent miscommunication. The Relay dashboard isn't just a place to look at numbers. It's an active tool that helps you understand the story behind your finances. It's about giving you clarity, control, and the confidence to grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.